I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble resetting your Bank of America password, follow these simple steps to get back into your account. Step 1. Go to the login page. Visit the Bank of America website and click on the sign in button. This will take you to the login page where you can find the password reset option. Step 2. Click on Forgot ID/password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter your personal information such as your account number or debit card number along with your social security number. Fill in the required fields. Step 4. Verify your identity. After submitting your information, you may need to answer security questions or receive a verification code via email or text. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be able to create a new password. Make sure it meets the security requirements, such as including uppercase letters and special characters. If you run into issues, double check that your information matches what's on file, especially if you recently changed your phone number or email. I hope this helps you reset your password quickly. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.